Hi, let's check out some new furnitures that are coming from factory. New style is coming your way. Boom! Let's have a look at the second one. Finally, let's unveil the last chair that we have in this video. As you can see, we are mid-year and 2024 nude color and grey are still popular in China. We have a wide varieties of furnitures that you can choose from with different colors and sizes. As you can see, the new showroom is being updated with new styles coming your way. Get ready. Remember, if you want to buy furniture from China, please contact me and our sales team will give you more details. That's it for today. Bye-bye.